Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a picture walkthrough. I wanted to show you a palette that I created for my cousin's wedding. It was late at night. It was like 3 a.m. when I did this, so it was kind of hard to set up a camera. So I went ahead and just took pictures and figured I'd walk you through it. So what you're going to need for this project is freezer paper, apple barrel paint, just any paint really, and then an iron. So what I did was I took my 12 by 24 mat and I got my freezer paper down and just trimmed around the edges, and then I just added all my words, so I didn't have them together. I just added my words all over so it fit on one piece, and then I took a craft knife and cut around those so that way I could peel them off one at a time. I would take them one at a time, line them up, and iron them down. I would do row by row. And then I would take the little pieces off the mat at a time and put the pieces in, and then I'd iron that down, and then I'd come back with the paint and add the paint. And then all you're going to do is you're going to just come back and peel off the freezer paper, and you have what you need. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.